Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Welcome to
Week
5, Season 2 of Rolling Round Europe in Rolly. Woo! Coming to you from a very special place, Nördlingen. We just climbed this tower we're on. Thought we'd do a quick intro video here.
Yeah.
So Claire survived. It was a pretty tough climb, wasn't it?
It was a long
It's
climb.
about 70 metres up. We're standing in the middle of a crater, a meteorite crater apparently. In the background you can see a ring of sort of hills, which is the 25-kilometre meteorite hole, which is quite fascinating. Also, the other fascinating thing about here is it's surrounded by a medieval wall, which you can walk all the way around. So we've done that.
I've done that.
So we started the week. Where did we start the week?
Bled
in Slovenia, and we worked our way up through into Germany.
We're doing the Romantic Road.
Bavaria and Romantic Road, and we're doing sort of working our way south to north. And sort of checking out all the cute little villages you see on the Romantic Road. So take a look at the video, see if you like it.
Enjoy.
See ya.
See ya.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take.
Das haben wir eigentlich die meisten Orte. Also auch in München gibt es
Well, here we are in Mittenwald.
Mittenwald.
It's a rather large violin. They've been making violins here for quite a long time. There's a violin museum. Might go and take a closer look. Just wandered in here, found a little park and bonfire music going on over there. Sounds like it's calling us to drink beer. A cute view up onto the hill there, all the nice cottages. Very cool. Interesting game they have in the park here. See how many beer crates the kid can climb. Classic. Only in Germany. Who's going to fall? Oh, here we go. Good God. Oh, he's getting shaky. Lots of different activities for the kids. They got air rifles there, ball throwing there. They got downhill skiing over there, grass skiing, air castle, and plenty of activity for adults over here. Bar band and drinking beer. Sounds like an idea as well. Here's the beer, Claire.
Cheers.
Cheers. For Frost. Quite a cute little village. We're just wandering around Oberammergau, and obviously famous for these wooden things. It's one of the touristy shops. Nativity scenes like this. It's a pretty cool one. All sorts of bird houses. And the little mechanical wind vane, weather vane things, whatever you call them. Pretty cool. Anything wood, they like it. And lots of these things. That one there is 749 euros. It's about the same size as the one we have at home. It even comes outside. Back into the other store. Die Schwarzkarte. The shoes over the door.
It's alive.
Temporary play fountain. That's what we need today. Alright, we're just about to walk into Nördlingen, which is an historic old town, part of the Romantic Road, and its claim to fame is it is built inside a crater of a meteorite. So it's a circle town and it's completely encircled by a covered walkway. There's a bit of a picture of it, if you can see that with the sun there. So we'll go and have a wander. This is the view of the town.
Das habe ich doch gewusst.
The village along the top of the wall, which is very unique. Most of the villages you go to have a little piece maybe, and get a bit of a view across the top of the houses to the cathedral over there. We'll go for a wee wander along here and see what we can see. Section drops down for a bit and then goes back up. I get a bit of a look of one of the towers ahead there. As it's about 6 o'clock at night, we're just wandering around before we go out for dinner. A lot of red roofs. These houses don't actually look that old, but if you go up to them, a lot of them have the dates on them and they're around 1500s, even though they on the outside have been plastered up, so you don't really get a good view. On the distance
and
there, can you see?
We have found
They have Storks.
storks.
Where are they? There. See that? Probably not. Top of the roof there. There are a couple of storks, but the number of the roofs have storks nesting. Dates back to 1395, the round term, so that's probably the tower, is it? From 1547. Oh, someone's tuning up their violin by the sounds of it. There's another sort of view down the walkway down there, which is quite a long view. It's quite nice with the shadows coming across it now, with the sun quite low. View across to another one of the towers. And a bit of a look across this rooftops. A good shot of the Storks up here. What were the two young that have come out of the nest? It's about that time of year. Curry, sausage and chips. Very good. What do you got? Pasta,
House gamach, malt,
bacon, and
tish, and
it's pretty good.
it's very good.
What a cute little house there. It dates back to 1554. Along here with a little stream that runs through, you can see a water wheel on the side there, so that's obviously the old mill. Just inside the village of Nördlingen, one of the pretty squares, and we found there's a tower called the Daniel. There's some religious connotation about Daniel. It's apparently 90 metres tall, of which you can climb up to the top there at about 70 something metres. Let's go and do that. Right, we're just about to go up the Daniel Tower, which is the tallest tower in Nördlingen. I'm getting dizzy. Right, we're about halfway. 35 of 70.3 metres. We moved to a wooden staircase and there's a big wheel. Claire's going to get on the treadmill there and wind up the bells. Nice little treadmill.
Ding dong.
Right up the wooden stairs now.
Only halfway.
Only halfway. Claire doesn't like the spiral staircase, she gets a bit dizzy.
Still here though.
But she's still here. Up we go. Out there somewhere. Right, we've made it to the top of Daniel. The Tower of Daniel. Just flying right there's a stork. You might be able to see him. And they're nesting down there. You see a bunch of them on the roof there. But you can see in the distance there the wall around the town. So you see the covered walkway through there. And this morning we walked halfway around, and last night we walked halfway around, so we've done the whole circuit. And in the distance we learned, you can see a ring of hills all the way around. This is actually inside a crater. A good view here of some storks. You see the nest with two young fellas in, and parents, there might be three young fellas in a parent actually. And there's dad over on the other one there. Right, we're just going to do a bit of a walk around. Full circuit, see if you can spot the walled, the medieval wall around the outside there. You can see the towers there. One tower that direction, one tower there, another tower there. Down into the rooftops. Another tower in the distance there. And that is pretty much a 360 of the tower.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.